In the present video, we are discussing the issue of input tax credit within the GST regime, where the department is denying the benefit of ITC on the ground of cancellation of registration of the supplier of goods with retrospective effect. In the present case, the petitioner assessee claimed the input tax credit on the basis of tax invoice and all the related documents such as transportation, e-way bill, and payment was made through banking channel. Later on, the department has cancelled the GST registration of the supplier with retrospective effect. It was found by the GST department that the supplier of goods is fake and not existence. The bank account opened by the supplier is on the basis of fake documents. The petitioner did not verify the supplier's identity before the transaction. The assessee has took up the matter before the High Court, and High Court observed that GST authorities are taking into consideration the cancellation of registration of the supplier only, but they are not considering the documents and details submitted by the petitioner as bona fide transaction. After considering the facts and circumstances of the case, the Honorable High Court has directed the appellate authority to consider the grievance of the petitioner afresh by taking into consideration the documents which the petitioner intends to rely in support of his claim. The Honorable High Court has directed the GST authorities to dispose of the claim of the petitioner by passing a reasoned and speaking order. Since all the other factors and details are in favor of assessee has to prove before the GST appellate authority that the transaction with the supplier whose GST registration has been cancelled with retrospective effect are genuine and bona fide. If the assessee is able to prove the genuineness and bona fide nature of the transaction, input tax credit ITC shall be granted to the assessee. In a separate video, we have discussed that whether input tax credit ITC can be claimed by the assessee as a vested right or it is a concession given by the government or legislature. You will find the URL link of the detailed article and discussions on this topic in the description section.